Island greetings, friends.
Hello, happy travelers.
Welcome back to Beaches Turks and Caicos, day number 3, and lots more fun to get into. We don't even know. We don't even know what we're doing.
No plan.
No plan.
The only plan is F-U-N. What does that spell?
F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere at any time at all down here.
Especially when you're in Turks and Caicos.
Let's get it started. Day number 3 begins right now.
First order of business for today, we are heading to the Key West lobby and concierge desk.
We are going to go ahead and schedule a free snorkeling excursion that the resort offers, but we're scheduling it for tomorrow. So we're going ahead and scheduling it at the concierge desk. Now, if you're in a concierge room, you can also schedule like dining if it's a restaurant that requires a reservation, or if you just have general questions, you can go there and ask. But if you need to schedule like dining or the snorkeling, or if you wanted to like schedule specialty things like an excursion or spa, you could go there and inquire about it too.
Which is definitely a benefit of having a concierge room, just going to the desk here to inquire about that stuff, because our room is just right up there. So we don't have to like cross through the whole resort, and it's a big resort, in order to ask and schedule those things. We can just come right down here.
Okay, they were all booked up for tomorrow, but we got it for Thursday. So we're still doing the snorkeling excursion, which is really exciting because we didn't do that last time. So we'll still get to show that to you. But just remember, when you get on resort, if you know what day you want to do it, just do it as early as possible, because those things do fill up.
One of my favorite things about Sandals and Beaches is the landscaping. It's so underrated. It's like, it's the best. I love seeing all the tropical foliage. It's really, really nice.
There's something really cool here at Beaches Turks and Caicos that was not available during our last trip, but it's here now. Check it out. It's a little village train. They drive it around, you get inside, go for a ride around the resort.
Isn't that adorable?
At least around this area in the Italian village. I don't know where all it goes, but
I'm so glad we saw it. That's so cute.
we wanted to do it last time. They didn't even have it going because of COVID, so now back up and running. Okay, I'm on the move quickly to try to get a shot of a Sesame Street character we have not seen here before, one of my favorites. I think he's heading over to Camp Sesame, the kids club. Let's count how many steps it will take to catch up to him. All right, I'm gonna give the zoom in view from the distance because I'm not confident in my abilities to catch up to him before he goes inside. But it's Count. Count's here. Our next stop for today, the water park. Right next to Bobby D's, here is the beginning of the water park. In case you didn't know, Beaches Turks and Caicos has a full water park here on site, included of course with your stay. So they have several water slides. They have some smaller slides here, I would say for kids, but adults are welcome to do them too. They have the bigger tower of slides in the back there. I think there's a body slide, a couple of tube slides. They have a lazy river that goes around the entire park. And they also have like a surf simulator, kind of like a flow rider on Royal Caribbean ships or, you know, various establishments. Little sprayer jets and stuff like that. But the real reason we're here is, yeah, we're gonna get in the water and enjoy, but there's also some delectable food options. And both of those food options are in the form of food trucks that are also included with your stay and only open during the day. So the first one is Curls and Swirls here in this awesome colored little minivan microbus thing with the trailer. Curls and Swirls is serving up frozen yogurts and shakes. So they have the regular shake flavors, as you can see there on the left, the frozen yogurt flavors on the right, and then you can also do some over-the-top shakes, which have all kinds of different things added to them. My go-to is number 6, the Fairy Princess. Delicious. And if you turn away from Curls and Swirls and head through this pathway towards those yellow chairs, you'll find the next establishment. The next food truck is Mr. Mac. As you can see, Mr. Mac is the Mac Daddy of cheese. So this is all kinds of different types of mac and cheese. So you have crab mac, just a regular, cheeseburger, blazing buffalo, pulled pork taco, Philly cheesesteak, chicken parm, garden veggie, and then the deep fried mac balls. We've had several of these. The last time we were here, they were all delicious, and they did not have this one available the last time. So excited to try that.
In the wild of Turks and Caicos, we find a dinosaur. Oh, he doesn't like being called dinosaur.
The fun has arrived. We got the deep fried mac and cheese balls right there with the marineros, of course. Buffalo, got the buffalo chicken. Throw some blue cheese on there as well. And then the thing we missed out on last time, the crab one, the seafood one, smells really, really good.
Yeah, I think the seafood one is like seasonal based on like when seafood is available.
Oh, maybe that's what it is. I just thought it was like COVID last time and they would just not had everything.
Maybe. That's good. You can definitely taste the crab in it.
Hey, you see it in there?
It's good. It's really good.
Good. After some delicious mac and cheese, it's now time to slide. I don't know about these. Might go over there. Might get in the lazy river. Actually, definitely lazy river.
We're starting with the lazy river, and it's chilly.
Yes, it is.
It's colder than the ocean. While we were right in the lazy river, they like completely redid the splash area. It looks good, looks shiny and new. No more fun boats though for you to play in, but still lots of fun. We're gonna go on some slides now, and just remember, if you're going on a tube slide, you do have to get your own tube from like right here in between the splash area and the lazy river. Grab your tube. You have to head up the stairs yourself with your tube. But if you're willing to make the trek, there will be lots of fun in store for you. And apparently, sunglasses are not allowed on the slides, so don't bring them.
Alright, I hope we don't flip over like last time. We made it!
What's funny is that they said no sunglasses allowed on the slides, but I wore my hat the whole time.
And I got to the top and then they said no shoes. So I had to take off my water shoes. And now I have to walk back up there just to get them. Well,
I'm gonna take a slide down. This is the dark one. Well, I hope you're enjoying the view. It's just completely dark. Wow. Woo! Here we go. Big landing, and I'm stuck. That was super anticlimactic, but still fun. Okay, we had a hard time remembering which slide was what, but we got it now. So the red slide was the first one we did with the Technicolors, and that was a tube slide. The blue one is the one I just did, and that's a body slide. And then the yellow one is also a tube slide, and it's open air. And we're gonna go do that one right now. In the rain. In the rain, it's raining now. Whoa! Whoa! That's how I landed. Alright, it is full on raining here in Turks and Caicos. We must seek shelter. Well, our time is impeccable because on the last slide, rain.
which is funny because the last time we were here, it rained on water park day.
It's true. The consistencies just will not stop.
Okay, I said the last water slide, we didn't do the 2 small water slides, but that is okay. We did the 3 big ones. And what do you do when you get rained out at the water park? You come get snacks, of course. Oh, and I didn't realize this last time, but they have a serve yourself soft serve right here, and they have cookies to go. They have cotton candy today.
I'm so happy. I seriously couldn't be happier right now. Seriously could not be happier. Disintegrating before your very eyes.
Your cotton candy is melting.
I have so much cotton candy, like driplets on my hand, and I think it's the humidity.
It's a sticky situation. Meanwhile, over at Curls and Swirls, got the old fairy princess, the tried and true. I was gonna try the electric jellyfish as well, but they were out. And normally this comes with cotton candy on top, which I don't like. So I usually give it to Chelsy, but I'd say she has plenty. Goodness gracious.
After every rainstorm comes the sun. Do 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 do. It's gorgeous in Turks, and I say I'm gonna celebrate by getting something at the kids' swim bar. Oh yeah.
There's a swim up bar here that's serving non-alcoholic drinks, so it's kind of like a kids or a teen swim up bar, but adults are welcome to use it too.
Oh, this is cute. I forgot about this. They have Sesame Street characters in the glass behind the bar. How cute. And is that Curious George? Thank you so much. Okay, you want to hear something interesting?
What?
Okay, so I got this for me. It's like the frozen ice, which is like, I don't like, it has mango in it and stuff, so that's why I didn't get it for you. But this is the jungle juice. And what I found interesting is that a very astute young fellow kids bar patron asked the bartender, what is your most requested drink? And it was that one.
Oh.
Jungle juice.
It's good.
Good.
I don't know what it is, but it's good.
I think we're gonna bid farewell to the old Pirate Park water park. But you want to hear something cool?
What?
We didn't have to pay a single doubloon for our water fill fun today.
The Dutchman's treasure, plastic.
This pirate has the right idea. This might be our next activity here. Oh, this is funny. Outside of the water park, they have this sign. Look twice for the train.
Ah, a colorful nighttime aesthetic here. And it is time for dinner. Back in the Italian village tonight. We're going to dine at Mario's. Now we're probably going to try to eat outside on the patio, but I wanted to show the inside of Mario's because it's pretty stunning. I mean, super, super high ceilings, the wood slats, they got the chandeliers, all the different archways, the faux brick. Super cool in here. Here's a look at the other side. They do have the antipasti station right over there. While we're waiting for our table, let me show you some of the stuff they have on the antipasti bar. There's some little vegetables and such. Yellow squash, broccoli. Actually it says broccolini, but looks like broccoli mushrooms. Olives, got a little bit of pasta here. Looks like some assorted cold cuts. There's some onions there. And then some cheese triangles. Chips. Come around, it looks like a bit of more of the same kind of stuff, vegetables and different things like that. There is a bread box, so not much bread in it. And then different kinds of salads, pork salad, coleslaw, potato salad, pasta salad, different salad lettuces and toppings available there. Croutons, different kinds of peppers, tomatoes, shrimp, clams, cocktail sauce. Then we have a section of fruit, cantaloupe, honeydew, pineapple, and things. They do have some other breads over here under the sign that says pastries, as well as a soup station, though the soup is not labeled, so I'm not sure what it is. There's some canisters here as well that are not labeled, but upon opening them, oh, it's some meatballs in this one. The other one just had sauce. And the guest noodles, yeah, it's like a little pasta station. That's pretty cool. always stay alert. You never know when one's gonna pass. And here's a look at the menu from which you'll actually be ordering from. So you see they have antipasti buffet listed there, and the soup, and then the main courses that you will actually order from the server. And they have some other specialties here on the back, as well as the desserts. And there's some good stuff as well. And we got sat on the front patio, which means we're gonna have a view of the Italian village and the main pool area with its awesome night aesthetic. All right, we got the main course tour here. Dad has the chicken parm. Oh my gosh, that was delicious. Mom has the lasagna. A little hard to tell what's going on in there since they put it in a bowl. That's interesting plating. All right, we'll see when we dive into that. Chelsy got the linguine.
Alfredo.
It's got some meat like chicken and stuff in there. And then her and Mom are gonna split some risotto, a stunning risotto. And looks quite good over there. And then I went with the tried and true carbonara.
Yours smells really good. Like I'm wishing I got that.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's time for a switcheroo. Oh no. Okay, update. We've decided that the lasagna is the clear-cut winner. The carbonara and the chicken parm are tied for go with those if you don't want lasagna. We would skip the risotto and skip the linguine Alfredo.
The Alfredo is solid. It's just
okay.
not like...
The chicken's really bland and dry and...
Oh, I didn't even have any of the chicken.
Yeah, not
Noodles
good.
were fine.
Noodles were fine.
But lasagna was really...
delicious. And we ate it too, so that means no bunch of vegetables in there.
Yeah,
just
no.
Sauce and cheese and yumminess.
The good stuff.
Third nighttime ice cream. Yeah.
And it's worth coming every night too because they change ice cream flavors for different days. So different days, different fun.
Another day down and we just keep on rolling here in Turks and Caicos.
Another glorious, beautiful day. A little bit of rain, but that didn't stop us.
And we'll be back tomorrow for even more fun in the sun. Maybe some snorkeling. We'll see what all we get into. You never know. You'll have to come back and check it out for yourself. Of course, remind you once again, we are travel agents. If you're interested in coming here, we can set that up for you. Travel agent information in the description of this and every video on the channel. Thank you for joining us for today's video. We're going to sign off for tonight. See you back tomorrow for day number 4 at Beaches Turks Caicos. But until then, we'll see you tomorrow. Happy travels!
travels.
Ow.